You guys, this new client I just had, broke down into tears after I explained to her why the e-collar training that she did and the medication, anxiety medication she has her dog on right now, was never really going to work for her. Let's get into it. I feel so bad for dog owners like this that are just trying to do the right thing, that have to deal with this shit show that is dog training. So the truth is, yes, anxiety medication and e-collar training are the same. I'll explain. E-collar training is going to make your relationship worse. Anxiety medication is not going to help you. If you want to follow me, I will explain. Not only will I explain, I'll prove why both of those statements are true. So getting back to this client, she goes out and she adopts a dog from a rescue. The dog comes to her with some anxiety. If you know anything about dogs, anxiety is a really easy fix if you know what you're doing. You would think. Wrong. 3 or 4 Google searches later and 1 referral from a friend for a veterinarian, and we have the problem. Where this dog owner is now $10,000 or close to $10,000 in the hole after hiring 3 trainers and meeting with 1 veterinarian for the anxiety medication. And the fucked up part about this is going to continue to happen to really good dog owners that just want to help their dog. So let me explain what the core or the heart of the problem is. If you have a dog with a behavioral issue, or your dog's dealing with anxiety, nervousness, insecurity, or fear, there is only one fix. And e-collar training and anxiety medication is not it. So let me explain why. So if your dog is dealing with anxiety, that is a relationship problem stemming from the lack of trust. E-collar training is going to suppress that anxiety with discomfort. And if you put your dog on anxiety medication, the anxiety medication is going to suppress the anxiety chemically. Okay, second, e-collar training and anxiety medication will never be able to address why your dog is anxious in the first place. They're both band-aids, because once you stop doing the e-collar training, the anxiety is still there. Once you take your dog off of the anxiety medication, the anxiety is still there. Neither one of them is addressing that underlying issue. And once I explained that to her, you could tell she started to get angry. She turned to me and she says, "Why didn't any of the other trainers or the veterinarian explain this to me before they took my money?" I explained that probably 95% of the dog training industry doesn't understand what they're doing. And most of the industry is about money. She looked at me and she rolled her eyes as like, I can't believe it. I did tell her that there was a small positive to it. And that was that her dog would never be able to associate the anxiety medication to her. So it wasn't making her relationship with her dog worse. So this is when she started crying. And I mean, as soon as I brought up the e-collar, I think it registered with her and she realized what I was about to tell her. I gave her a minute and she was wiping away her tears and she says, "So I was shocking my dog for something that he couldn't control." You guys, in my career, I have been bitten. I had a 125-pound Doberman want to unalive me. But I have to say that telling this client, yes, that she was shocking her dog on something that he couldn't control, was probably one of the hardest things that I've ever had to do. I got choked up a little bit, to be honest with you. Now, the really good thing about this is after I explained to her exactly what she needs to do in order to help her dog get over the anxiety, not manage it, not put a Band-Aid on it, but to get over the anxiety, she was beyond motivated. I would say probably in about an hour and 15 minutes worth of time, we saw 80% improvement on the anxiety. on the first session. If you are a dog owner, please share this video so that other dog owners, new dog owners that are experiencing problems now can avoid situations like this. I mean, $10,000, and I think it's been like almost 11 months of wasted time and wasted money. Please share this. If you're a dog trainer, I have no sympathy for you. But if you're a dog owner, please share this so that you can help other dog owners avoid this type of situation. I'll see you in the next video.